In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dependencies in ClickUp. First, we'll begin by heading over to clickup.com. Once there, log into your ClickUp account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one, but for those of you who do, just use your username and password to access your dashboard. Logging in will take you to your main workspace, where all your projects and tasks live. Next, navigate to the Spaces section. You can find this on the left side of your dashboard, where all your workspaces are conveniently listed. Click on the workspace that houses the project you're focusing on today. This is where you'll create dependencies to streamline your task management process. After selecting your workspace, identify the task for which you intend to set a dependency. Click on the task to open up its detailed view. Here on the task card, you'll find a variety of options to enhance how you manage and view your tasks. Locate the three dots icon, often known as a kebab menu, positioned typically at the top right corner of the task area. Clicking on this icon gives you access to a drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Dependencies. This will bring up a dedicated section in the task view designed to help you manage some task dependencies. Dependencies are key in task management, as they define the relationship between tasks and dictate the order in which they should be completed. For instance, if you have tasks that must be done sequentially, setting up a dependency will ensure the next task can only begin once the preceding one is completed. Now, in the Dependencies section, you have the option to add dependencies for your selected task. This is where you can specify whether a task is blocked by, blocking, or related to another task. Simply select the task or tasks you want to create a dependency with from the list of available tasks in your project. By doing this, you're effectively organizing your tasks in a systematic manner, ensuring that everything progresses smoothly and according to your project plan. Remember, adding dependencies not only helps in maintaining a clear workflow, but also assists in avoiding bottlenecks, allowing you to spot potential delays and mitigate them before they impact your project timeline. After you've set your dependencies, make sure to save or confirm your changes. This step is crucial to make sure all your modifications are applied and visible to your team. That's all there is to it. You've just created a dependency in ClickUp, providing your project with a structured workflow. By taking these simple steps, you can manage your tasks more efficiently and keep everyone on the same page. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the help resources available on ClickUp's website. Thanks for tuning in and happy planning.